Hey beautiful people, what's up? In this very quick video, I'm going to discuss the entire digital marketing strategy. No matter if you are a marketing manager or if you are a product manager, no matter if you're into service industry or a product company, how exactly you can create a strategic digital marketing plan for a new product or a new service that you want to deploy. This video is going to be completely a step-by-step process. It's going to be complete. I understand that, when it comes to implementing a digital marketing strategy, there are a lot of if and but. Right? There is nothing like, something is right or something is wrong. There is always a middle way. There is nothing called as black or white. There is always gray areas, depending on many unexpected hurdles. But this particular video that I'm going to share with you as a tutorial will help you to make a chalk out a plan that will help you just not to create and strategize, but also to streamline your team and work allocation also. So in this quick tutorial, I'll be also using multiple AI tools, how exactly you can optimize your time and get the maximum out of it. So without any further ado, let's go to the PC and understand things in details. So right now on the PC, as you can see, Phase 1 is all about go-to-market or preparation stage. What exactly is this? The very first thing in a digital marketing strategy that you need to do is step 1, you have to understand who the hell your buyer is. Who is it for, right? That means you have to be pretty much clear that demography, geography, behavior and psychographic aspect to the customer. So for that, I have made it really simple. I'll be giving a ChatGPT prompt here. I'm giving an absolute ChatGPT prompt that will help you to create a buyer's avatar like a pro. Let us go to the PC and let us open ChatGPT. So here the prompt that I'm giving, you can see the prompt is here. You can take a screenshot from the while you are watching the video. So I'm not, reading out the prompt here. The moment let's say I'm taking a use case of ideal customer profile of a 2 BHK apartment. Let's say I'm doing it on behalf of a real estate company. Let's see. So you see the entire prompt is giving me a very beautiful output. You see this is the entire ideal customer profile avatar of a customer who is going to pay me money, because at the end of the game we want to attract the targeted and interested people towards our product, right? So you see these are the people. This is the ideal customer profile. Here comes the demographic aspects, the geographic aspects. It's giving me a very cool idea about the family size, occupation, income, about the psychographic aspect as well. What exactly is the primary motivations, hidden desires, untold, demands of a customer that actually triggers a sale, behavioral aspect and so on and so forth. The first and foremost thing you should be pretty much clear is all about understanding who exactly is your buyer. Then comes building your unique value proposition. What exactly is unique value proposition? How exactly your product help our customers to achieve their dream and outcome? Unique value proposition or the positioning of the company is, I can say it's the one-liner statement that will help you to craft your entire marketing for that particular product. So I'm using one more ChatGPT prompt here. You can see again a ChatGPT prompt here. As I've already told, you can screenshot the prompts here. So you see this is a prompt that will help me to build a positioning statement. That means, let's say for example, if I ask you to introduce your company to a patron or to a potential prospect in a trade show, how exactly you're going to introduce yourself? That means I just want to understand that how exactly you want your customers to feel when they stumble upon your content or they meet you for the first time about your product. So you see here is the prompt here. I help young professionals and families who achieve urban, convenient and modern living without compromising on safety or quality using our strategically located 2 BHK apartments in Bangalore with top-notch amenities. So this is going to be the introduction. This is going to be the base of all your marketing messages coming ahead. So let us quickly go ahead. The third important thing, you should be pretty much clear about the USPs, the product that you are thinking to market, whether the product has that capacity to attract customers or not, or make a sale. So these are the USPs. The third important thing, you have to make a list of all the features and benefits that will differentiate your product. And how exactly you can do that? Again, I'll use a ChatGPT prompt here. So I'm in the phase 1 right now, right? This is the go-to-market strategy. Phase 2 and phase 3 will give you absolutely crystal clear prompt at how exactly you can strategize something. Step by step. Here is the ChatGPT prompt for making the USP for this 2 BHK apartment. So it goes here, you can see it's giving me a complete feature and benefits and the description, the benefits, the feature again and the benefits of the feature. It will help you to craft the content of a landing page that will convert actually, right? It will also help your sales team members to promote your product and services over a call. It will also help your marketing team to create flyers and other marketing materials. You see the entire stuff is here. The next important thing that I need to do is I need to build a marketing calendar. What exactly is a marketing calendar, right? What exactly is a marketing calendar? The next important thing is step 4, under go to market and preparation stage, it's the marketing calendar. It's the list of questions your prospect ask in the circle or on the web. Technically, I must say that these are the questions that or the conversations that is going inside the subconscious mind of a prospect before they are thinking of buying a product or before they evaluate a builder. So let us quickly understand and make a list of all these questions first of all, because these are just not the questions, these are content ideas that you will be utilizing later on for distribution of your marketing information. So let us quickly and use another prompt here. So I've used another prompt here. So let us quickly copy the prompt and get back to ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT will work for me. Now to do this entire thing, trust me people, in my previous campaigns last year, it used to take me at least 1 or 2 days. Minimum 1 or 2 days, and a lot of experiment goes in. Now, when it comes to building an ideal customer profile, however I've used the buyer's persona, idea from ChatGPT, you can use multiple other tools. You can use Google Analytics, you can use Google Trends, you can use tools like Facebook Ad Library, Google Transparency, you can use tools like Facebook Audience Insights, you can go out, survey people, you can interview your existing customers, and you can come up with a solid ideal customer profile. ChatGPT will give you an idea, but I must say that again, this is a vague idea. It's an overall, top level view idea. If you want to go more deep, then you have to put a lot of more time to focus on surveying, interviewing, and researching about your ideal customer profile. Because ideal customer profile researching is, I must say, that's the groundwork, is the base level foundation of all your marketing. Right? You see, all the questions are here, and all the questions are again divided into different stages of the buyer's journey: top of the funnel content, middle of the funnel content, and bottom of the funnel content. So right now we are good to go. Right now the preparation is all ready. Right now this much of material is ready with me. Right now I will go ahead and build a lead generation system. So as to build a lead generation system, the first and foremost thing that I need to have a website. I have to build a website to present the credibility of the company, to ensure that the company that exists is legitimate. Website always builds a trust. Once I build a website, I will create specific landing page for that specific product. Let's say, for example, if I go to Google and I type 2 BHK flats for sale in Bangalore. Let us pick one of the website that will reflect the similar example. Let's say if I click on Godrej property, you can see right now I typed in a keyword 2 BHK flat for Bangalore on Google, and this is what is the caption that I'm using as a use case for this particular tutorial. You see, this company has created a specific landing page to promote the 2 BHK properties. However, they already have a main website, that is godrejproperties.com. They already have a site that represents the entire business culture, the entire business vision, mission, and what exactly they want to achieve in a holistic manner as a business. So as to promote a product, you have to ensure that you have to create specific landing page within the website. Once these things are done, the next important thing you have to do is you have to create your lead generation offer, right? You have to create your lead generation offer. That means you have to grab attention and make a list of all the targeted customers who are interested. And how exactly you can do that? When you expose a widget or a bait in the market that will help your customers to do their job in a better way. That will help your customers to research about the buying or the purchase decision in a better way. Let us use one more ChatGPT prompt for this. So this prompt will help you to get all the ideas of all the lead magnets pertaining to the 2 BHK apartment example that I am showcasing in this tutorial. So you see ebook, it's also giving me the title, multiple different titles. It's giving me a checklist, the title of the checklist and whatnot. Once the lead magnets are ready and built, the next important step 3 in lead generation system will be set lead generation target in numbers and traffic estimation on the landing page. You have to create a target that how many leads do I need to generate. Now, so as to get a calculation of the lead, you have to use certain lead calculator. So what exactly you can do is you have to visit adme.co. Scroll down to the extreme bottom area and you will find a ads budget calculator tool, right? Ads budget calculator tool. Let us click on it. In this tool, you can also figure out that how many leads you want to generate if you want to sell a property of a specific price tag. Let's say, for example, the first and foremost thing you should know about the company or the client or the prospect, that what is exactly the revenue they are targeting. Because after that only we will do a reverse engineering. Let's say the customer is targeting 5 crore revenue in that specific month and cost per sale is 50 lakh. Let's say the cost of the product is 50 lakh. The moment I've given these two features, it will automatically calculate the total sales volume. Let's say the sales conversion rate of the employees, sales telecallers, or the business development people of the organization is, let's say, 10%. So I'll just give 10%. It is estimating the total number of leads that I need to generate with a sales conversion of 10% to generate a revenue of 5 crore rupees. Further, if I move ahead, if I put the landing page conversion rate, let's say the landing page conversion is 5%, it will calculate the actual page visitors. If I put in the bounce rate, the general bounce rate of the landing page, that is 40%, it is giving me the exact page view rate, and it is giving the total number of clicks. So technically, it is giving me an idea that how many visitors do I need to generate on that specific landing page to generate a specific number of leads. So this is something that you need to calculate in this particular stage, and you have to share these targets with the management and marketing team using the Add Me Lead Calculator tool. The next important thing is estimate the budget. How exactly you can estimate the budget for this? Right? How exactly you can estimate the budget? Budget is technically, I must say, you can use the budget calculator tool here. We have a budget calculator tool here also. Now this particular tool has been designed for the media buyers, for the Google advertisers, for the Google advertising team people. So if I quickly come to the scroll down here, then you see, if you put down all the numbers, it will also calculate the total budget that you need to infuse to generate this many clicks and eventually this much of website visitors and this many leads, right? But technically, for a drone level view understanding, let us understand it's a budget that customer can spend on the platform to promote your offers. Generally, it's 5 to 20% of the dream revenue. Let's say the customer is willing to spend, let's say the customer is, dreaming to achieve a sales target of 5 crore rupees, then you can plan to infuse the 5 to 20% of that total dream revenue into marketing. It's just a benchmark idea, I will say, an idea that will help you to get started, but eventually over a period of time, you can understand that what exactly you got after investing a test budget. After that, we need to set up a distribution system. That means we have to make sure that all the platforms are ready and optimized where our customers are hanging out. It can be social media, Google, email, both organic and paid. Don't get confused that whether I should go with paid marketing or organic marketing. These are medias, right? The important factor here is you have to also understand who exactly do you need to reach and what exactly is the message. And all these things will only be finalized when you have done a very strong research around your ideal customer profile. These are just media. Organic and paid will only differentiate in terms of frequency of delivery. If you are using a paid mechanism, then the beauty is you can do a little bit of more precise targeting with a better interface to target in terms of interest, demography and behavioral aspects, and you can reach your audience little bit faster. But the point is you have to also remain keen about who exactly is the customer and what exactly is going to be the message. So I'm not going deep down into it. I'm just giving a drone view. What are the step-by-step process you need to do? The next important thing, you have to set up a goal, a KPI and a plan of action. You have to set up a goal, KPI and plan of action. Step number 1, set all performance tracking KPIs and create dashboard for it. Create templates where month on month or week on week, you will be tracking all the important KPIs that will ensure that your performance of all your marketing campaigns are up to mark as per your expectation. You have to ensure that expected versus reality has to be tracked. Something that you have estimated or expected and something that you've achieved right now has to be tracked, and it's the most important task of a marketer. KPIs like new visitors versus returning visitors, cost per lead, click-through rate, cost per click, cost of customer acquisition cost, landing page conversion rate, and so on and so forth. The next important thing, you have to create a weekly marketing planner. I will ask my team to give another video where I have explained that how exactly you can create a marketing planner for a company which is absolutely starting from scratch. It's a 16 weeks planner that I'll ask my team to give in the description section, because I've already made one video in Hindi where I've absolutely, explained in details that what are the week-on-week activities or deliverables that you need to execute to ensure that all the steps that I'm showing in this particular video are executed and are proper organized in a systematic way, so that you and your team remain managed and you move ahead in an organized way, right? Step 2, make week-wise marketing planner. It's a media planning sheet and it compiles of multiple things actually. It will be a compile of a media planning sheet, content marketing sheet, social media calendars and blog calendars with dates, date of publishing, so that you will remain on track, so that you can make your work accountable. Then you have to set up the funnel and a follow-up and a system. I'll also ask my team to give you a video under the description section or on the comment section that how exactly a funnel looks like for a service-based business. Set up a funnel. That means once the distribution sources, the traffic sources are set, the landing page is set, and the campaigns are running, how exactly the people who come to a landing page fill in a form, go to an email automation system where automated emails in sequence shoot them every single day to improve the recall value of the business, recall value of your business, and how exactly a retargeting tags on your landing page, retargeting or recalling your customers about the offers and middle of the funnel deals, so that it improves urgency with personalized messages. Step number 4, it's time to test. Split test, which we always say is A by B by C testing. You have to ensure that you have to keep on testing your landing page, keep on testing your ad copies. This is where the conversion rate optimization comes into picture. You have to use tools like Microsoft Clarity, heat maps to understand the scroll rate, click rates on your landing pages. You have to keep on testing ad copies with different variations. Great marketers always keep on testing. So just cannot do any sort of conjuncing testing, right? The next important thing comes is the scale. Once you figure out the most performing buyer's journey, the most performing asset, the time has come to channelize the budget and infuse on all the performing assets or increase the budgets on that specific asset and scale. Chat starts channelizing and diverting budget to the most performing asset. When I'm saying about the asset, that means the funnels, the landing pages, the ad copies, the blogs, the articles, the social media posts, the videos, something that you see has given you business at the low to low cost. The time has come to infuse all the budget on that and scale it. I hope the video was useful, boys. In case if you have any questions in any of the stages, I will be more than happy to go deep dive and share templates, share reports, and share in-depth tutorials in any of the blogs. All the best.
Hey, the good news is ADME is proud that it has launched its Asia's #1 AI-enabled advanced digital marketing and business leadership program. It's the only program under the sun that provides an holistic approach to the business. That means you learn the entire marketing system from scratch to advanced. You learn to build the entire sales system from scratch to the advanced level. You also learn how to deliver and fulfill a digital marketing project as well. That means we are a 360-degree learning platform. Why ADME? If you just listen the benefits, you will just get amazed. Number 1, it's due to our track record. 15 years experience in the industry, and recently we have been awarded as the most trusted digital marketing learning platform 2023. We have helped hundreds of students to achieve their professional success and achieve their business goals in the shortest time humanly possible. More than 5,000 success stories already created. It's a live class program and absolutely in an interactive way. That means you can interact with the trainer, with me directly one-to-one, no matter what doubt you have around your business, around operation, around tools, around your future ideas. No matter, you can directly interact with me directly in a live interactive session with unlimited doubt clearing, support, lifetime mentorship. That means after the completion of the program, that is 4.5 months of live classes. After 4.5 months also, every weekend we will handhold you, we will guide you with the most advanced and real-time upgraded topics. That means one-time admission and lifetime learning. That means you take an admission one time and upgrade yourself for rest of the life. 2 months of paid internship. If you are a job seeker, then this is a gem. 2 months of paid internship will get paid while learning, while working with our ongoing live projects. It's completely an agency-based program. That means we'll get a chance to work with our team leaders and project managers. Largest learning management system with all live classes, scripts, SOPs, PowerPoint, Mind Masters, all recorded lectures on one platform in an auto-upgradable way. That means anything in the future that upgrades in terms of tools, technologies, or consumer behavior will give you the new absolute fresh lecture, no matter whether you are an alumni or you are in any ongoing batch. Unlimited doubt clearing support. That means even after the completion of the program, if you want to upgrade your career from manager, you want to upgrade yourself to a senior manager. If you want to upgrade your business, we are there to help you no matter what. If it is tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year, or after 3 to 4 years, right? It's absolutely curated and customized for job seekers, job aspirants, and also freelancers, agency owners, and business owners. So what are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Click on the link somewhere around the video, in the description, or somewhere in the bio, and book a call with our student success manager. We only and only train very limited students to ensure quality, because the next batch is starting soon. All the best. See you in the live class.